What's up guys? I wanted to make a quick video for one of my commenters asking how the power steering was mounted. So as you can see, this is my engine. Obviously it's taken apart a bit, but this is, the front of the engine right here, the left side, the passenger side cam, and here is the power steering pump right here. So there's two ways that this is mounted. One is this bolt. I don't know if you can see right back there. It goes all the way through, and it basically is just a pivot pin. So this just kind of holds it up here and lets it pivot, and then below it you can see right here is the tensioner. This one is pretty difficult to get to. I always have to use a stubby. I think this is a 14, stubby 14 to get down in here. You kind of jam your hand down the side of the engine bay right here, and then you can wiggle this back and forth. So you just loosen this bolt right here. This is kind of the jam nut, so to speak, and then loosen or tighten that guy as required in order to get the belt to tighten or loosen. So that's it. It's pretty straightforward. Most of the things on this engine are like that. The alternator, actually I think those are the only two pump belts. But yeah, so very straightforward. You don't have to loosen the pivot bolt. It's pretty much a shaft that it just sits on, and then it threads into this piece right here, which is actually still part of the block, or at least a bracket that bolts to the block. So it is really just these two under here that you have to worry about. So I hope that was helpful for anybody. I know this is hard to see when you have it in the car. I've dealt with the same issue many times, so don't feel too bad. Just kind of get a small stubby 14 ratcheting wrench. I'll see if I can put a picture of one on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. And then it's pretty straightforward. So hopefully that helped, and good luck.